small sound also it is changing the colors. Hello friends, this is Harsha here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install the atmospheric LED lights in our car. These are the atmospheric LED lights which I have ordered online. It will have 4 LED strips, 2 below the front dashboard, and we will place 2 below the front seat. So the LED strips with the shorter wire will be placed below the front dashboard, and the LED strip with the longer wire will place below the seats. And it has a remote control also, which you can control the lighting system, light color, and also which you can adjust it according to the music beat of your car. And the good thing is you need not to cut any wire in this one, so obviously it will not void the warranty. It has this plug which you can place it in the cigarette lighter of the car. So I'm giving the link in the description. So let us go and see how to install this in our car. Okay, remember this has 4 strips, and shorter wire comes below the front dashboard and the longer wire LED strips comes below the seats. Okay, so I will show you how to put it in the front side. Friend, in order to install the atmospheric lights without exposing the wires outside, we need to open this panel. So let me show you how to open this panel. So in order to remove this, you need to pull it out using a screwdriver. So we have removed this. Now just pull it out. Remember, you need to take it out, otherwise it will break. Look at this. And then just pull it out. Like this. So it will get open. Now we need to pass our LED strip from this side to other side through this hole, and we need to put this remote sensor over here so that it will not get exposed to outside. So now pass this LED strip through this, so it will come outside through the other end. Remember, you need not to open the other end. So the strip has came outside from this side, and you need not to open any panel over here, since we are not fixing the remote here, so no need to open the panel over here. So we can stick this strip over here. So now put the receiver over here, and this side we are going to stick this LED strip over here. So we have kept it over here. Now install the panel. So friends, do remember while installing, take this wire from the above of the panel so that you can put it here without any problem. So now we have closed that panel, and make sure that this receiver should come outside of this one. Now we will stick this LED strip over here, and make sure to tuck all this wire inside these panels, and safe side, just stick those wire inside this panel. So let us remove this strip. And just stick it here. Now tuck all this wire inside the panel. So now we have installed front two LED strips and hided all the wires under the doormats. Now let us go and install the rear seat LED strips. And in the back side, below the seat, for convenience, stick it to this one.
Stayed with.
Okay friends, let's look at this. Even for a small sound also it is changing the colors. If you on the music mode, then it will change the colors, or if you want some specific color, you can just keep it. I'm switching it to the music mode. Okay, even for a small sound also it will change the lights. So friends, we have successfully installed this atmospheric LED strips lights in our Tiago. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Put it into this cigarette lighting charger. So into the cigarette lighting charger.